Hello friends, today in this video I'm going to discuss question numbers 1 to 10 from our ICAI module from the chapter Blood Relations under the topic Logical Reasoning. Let's get started. Let's look at the first question. So it says A is B's brother, C is A's mother, and then D is C's father, E is B's son. How is D related to A? So I'll teach you a small construction of a diagram. In that, I'll teach you small tricks in order to solve this question. Let's go ahead. When he said A is B's brother, that means whenever there are siblings, A and B are siblings, right? Whenever it is given as siblings, I will draw a double-edged arrow to denote their relation. And then C is A's mother. Obviously, when A and B are siblings, C is mother to A and B as well. Now, to denote a next generation, upper level generation, I'll denote like this, which says C. Now, I will always use the sign plus for a male and minus to denote a female. So, when C is A's mother, she must be minus. Now, D is C's father. Going a step ahead, D will be C's father. Now I'll denote D using plus because he's a male. And E is B's son. Now E is one step below B, and E will be, because he is a son, he'll be bearing plus sign. Now the question is, how is D related to A? Now for A, what will B be? Obviously, he'll be grandfather. So option C is my answer. Moving ahead. Let's look at question number 2. So A is B's brother. Let's draw the diagram simultaneously. Now A is B's brother. That means because they are siblings, I'll use this double-edged arrow to denote. Now C is A's father, and now it's the same. C is A's father, and I'll denote C with plus sign. Now D is C's sister. Okay, because they are siblings. Now I'll use D. D is C's sister, so D must be a female. I'll be using minus. And now E is D's mother, so E will be common mother for both D and C as well. E, because she is mother, I'll use negative sign here. So how is B related to E? Now B and E. Obviously, because 2 steps below, because I do not know what gender A belongs to, it can be granddaughter or grandson. Because there is no option grandson, it will be granddaughter. Isn't it? So option A is my answer. Then, moving ahead. Read the third question. A is B's sister. Let's draw the same diagram. Because A and B are siblings, I'll use the double-edged arrow. Because A is the sister and she is a female, I'll use negative sign. Now, C is B's mother. C will be mother of both, and C will bear the sign negative. And then D is C's father. D is C's father, plus sign for D. And then E is D's mother. Now I'll draw E here with minus sign. Now, how is A related to D? To D, what will be A? Obviously, 2 steps below, daughter and granddaughter. It will be granddaughter. My option D will be the right answer. Moving on. question 4. Please read question 4. A is the father of B, right? Construct the diagram simultaneously. A is the father of B. B can be male, B can be female. Now, A is certainly bears positive sign because he is the father, and C is the daughter of B. Now, one step below C will bear negative sign, and now D is the brother of B. D and B are siblings. Now D is the brother of B. D will bear positive sign. And then E is son of A. Okay, because E is son of A, B, D, and E will certainly happen to be the siblings. And because E is the son, E will bear plus sign. What is the relationship between C and E? So C and E. If you look at this relation, C's father or mother. B can be either plus or minus. So C's father or mother's brother. E will be C's uncle and C will be E's niece. So my option C is the right answer. Moving on. Question number 5. Please read. If P is the husband of Q. Okay. So whenever there is a question which speaks about husband and wife, we always use a dash. And that says basically these are husband and wife. If P is the husband, means P will bear plus sign and Q will bear negative sign. Okay. Then, and R is the mother of S and Q. So R is the mother of S and Q. That means S and Q are siblings, isn't it? R is mother of S and Q. What is R to P? R to P. R is nothing but P's wife. R is nothing but mother of P's wife. That means mother-in-law. R will be MIL of P. So my answer would be D, option D. Moving on. Question number 6. P and Q are brothers. Again, P, Q are brothers. We'll denote it with double-edged arrows. So both will bear positive sign. Now, R and S are sisters. Okay, R and S are sisters. They'll bear negative sign. Now, P's son is brother of S. Okay, he's saying some person, let's assume X, who is the brother of S, is son of P, right? So it happens that when X is brother of S, he will also become a brother of R, isn't it? Now, how is Q related to R? Now, Q is nothing but brother of father of F, who will be uncle for R. So Q is uncle for R. Option A is right answer. Let's move on. Let's look at the 7th question. In the 7th question, he's saying X is the husband of Y. X and Y are couples. X is the husband of Y. X is positive, Y is negative. Now, W is the daughter of X. That means W is the daughter of X, who will bear negative sign. Then Z is husband of W. Now, Z and W are couples. Z will bear positive sign. And N is the daughter of Z. N minus. Now, what is the relationship between N to Y here? That will obviously be, N will always be granddaughter of Y, isn't it? Two steps, daughter, granddaughter. So my option C is correct. I'm sorry. Option D is correct answer. Right? Let's move on to 8th question. 8th question says, A reads a book and finds the name of the author familiar. The author B is paternal uncle of C. So there is C and paternal uncle means brother of C's father is B, isn't it? Will bear plus sign. We don't know what sign C will bear. Now C is the daughter of A. C is daughter, so C will be minus sign. Now A, someone is missing here, so that must be A here, right? B, now how is B related to A? He's asking. So directly B and A are brothers. Now B must be the brother of A. So option A is right answer. Let's move on to the 9th question. 9th one. Please change, in your question it is given as A here, but please change it to D because the question is printed wrongly. Now, moving on, D's mother is sister of B. Now there is D and his mother is sister of B. This person will be made minus sign, but we don't know who it is. And she has a daughter C who is 21 years old. Okay. D's mother is sister of B and she has a daughter. D is minus sign and D is having C as a daughter who is 21 years old. But that doesn't matter. How is B related to D? So now B is D's mother's brother or sister, isn't it? What will mother's brother or sister become? Maternal uncle or maternal aunt? Because maternal aunt is not there in the options, we'll select maternal uncle. Option B as my answer. Okay. Now, question number 10. A is B's brother. So A, there is A and B is sibling. A bears positive sign. C is A's mother. So C must be the mother of A and B. C will bear negative sign. Now D is C's father. D, there is D here who bears positive sign. Now F is A's son. Here is F who is A's son. And how is F related to D? So we are moving step 1, son, daughter, one more step, one more step. We are moving 3 steps. That means because F is positive here, he'll be grandson, right? Which is C option. So my C option is the right answer. Thank you, friends.